Alrighty. Hey, welcome back to JJ's Shop. I'm Jordy, and behind the camera is
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. Alrighty. Today we're going to go back out and work on the 2002 C240. Is that what we got on the menu for today, Jeffrey?
Yep.
Yeah. What are we doing on it?
Gonna replace the relay, maybe?
There you go. Let's place a couple relays.
Maybe.
We put the battery on boil for a little bit. That might help things a little bit. These German cars, as we know, they want all the voltages and all the amperages.
Yeah, that's for sure.
They want them all.
All of them.
Yeah, they don't like doing anything unless they have all of it.
Yep.
So let's take that battery off boil, take it out to the car. I have the relay in my pocket. And let's see what we come up with here, Jeffrey.
Yep.
What do you say?
Hopefully we come up with something.
Hopefully
better.
Something better. Whoa, what do we got sitting out here?
Kawasaki.
Well, looks like we might have a little something else on the menu today, huh?
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll see how this one goes.
Yep.
If we don't get the desired results, we'll go to that one.
Yep.
I like this feller that did this right here.
Did you?
Right? Yeah, because he operates the same exact way that I do.
Does he?
Yeah. Black is positive and black is negative.
Yeah.
You know, because I mean, really, does it really matter at the end of the day?
Yeah, I hope so.
Well, whoa.
Hey.
Whoa. Whoa.
Hey now.
We got all kinds of sparkles there. I like that.
Sure.
That's what we want to see, right?
Yeah.
All kinds of sparkles. Okay. What do we have under here? Okay, so Jeffrey and I have had some time to look at the picture of these fuse and relay assignments, and funny thing is here starter relay and fuel pump relay are exactly the same part number. And unfortunately, O'Reilly's only had one. So we can maybe check two circuits with one relay. So we'll grab the key.
Yeah.
Is it going to do anything, Jeffrey? Is it going to give us anything? What do you think?
I hope it does.
What's your bet?
I don't know.
I don't know either. That working?
Did you push something?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah, I did. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What'd you do?
Well, I hit the lock.
Okay.
We got to jiggle something over here?
Maybe.
we not have enough voltages or what?
Do we need to get a jump box on it? Maybe?
Maybe. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
There we go.
the lights were flashing.
Yeah, I got her unlocked. There we go. All right. Oh, we got a nice bright dash now. Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. What do I hear running? Oh, that's the heater fan. That works. That's good.
So what did we find out the other day?
Oh. We found out that this is nothing more than a cup holder.
Yeah?
That's a real bummer.
How do you get that out?
Apparently you push down on that and lift up on that.
Push down. Can again.
Yeah, we can't.
It's a little hard. I don't know why they made it like that. But
And then we also
then,
got something working in here.
yep.
How do we open that? Oh, there we go.
We also got these to work.
Yeah, we don't push those.
You don't.
We don't push those. Here, remove the key.
Yeah.
We got 2 faults. Here's reverse. First, third, fifth, and sixth, I believe.
Oh boy.
I don't know for sure. Yeah, anyway. Let's try that again. Oh, we got nothing. Did you by any chance hear a fuel pump back here?
Not
I
that
did not.
know of.
I did not either. We're plugged in again, aren't we? We definitely have a beeper going now.
Are we plugged in?
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah. Are you ready?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We are. We are plugged in.
Are you ready?
Sure. Nothing.
Yeah, I don't hear anything either.
Nothing.
Okay, so boop boop ba-doo. We got nothing there. We got nothing there. We got some possible bypasses up here that we need to do, maybe. Right?
Maybe.
So, I mean, do we know that this one has power. We found that out.
The red and blue wire.
This one.
Yeah.
The red wire. So we don't know what any of this other stuff does.
Probably for the...
Yeah, but we did find is that the fuel pump relay?
Yeah, the one you took out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the one that we took out. Okay. And we just replaced it. So now what we need to do is pull the fuel pump relay out in the back and put that one in.
Yep.
And see if we now have power there. That worked.
It does.
Okay. Ooh.
Still
Jeffrey.
smells. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Oof to me. That would be this one right up here. Ouch.
Get it?
Nope.
Why not?
It's stuck in there. So you know I gotta go get it.
Yep.
Not exactly the one I was after, but Look at that, trunk light works.
Yep.
This is a going to town rig, Jeffrey.
It might be.
Never see that again.
Yeah.
I got it.
No.
Went back there somewhere. There it is. Well, it says they're the same part number.
Doesn't look.
I mean, it looks a little different, but
Would it work?
what they say. I mean, if we're going to replace that one, that's what we're going to replace it with now.
Apparently.
So, there we go.
Well. Hold up.
All right.
Go for it.
Just did.
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. Now what?
Service B exceeded by 27,000. Okay, whatever.
Whatever. Putting me right up there.
Settings, reset with reset button. Is that the reset button?
Push the I.
It's connecting again.
Oh boy. Why are you doing it again? I don't think we should need those.
Connecting call. Yeah.
What call?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Maybe there was a reason that was unplugged.
Maybe. Okay. You know what we need now, Jeffrey?
What?
Oh, instrument clutch. Look what I found.
Hold up, let me get over there. What?
Settings, instrument cluster, lighting. Oops. Oop, oop. Oh.
Oh. Well, that happened again.
Yeah. Well. Three faults. Here's instrument cluster. Oh, mine. Oops. Come on.
What'd you do?
There we go. Lighting, vehicle, settings, lighting,
Can't really see it.
lighting, instrument cluster, lighting, Look at that. That's our temperature. That's temperature outside.
Yeah.
Service. Measurement correct only if engine oil level measuring now. Performance service on time. So apparently I reset that.
Sure.
I don't know. We don't have any audio. Settings. Reset with reset button.
Well, where is that at?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Where's the reset button? Instrument cluster. Oh, let's go to vehicle.
Isn't
After
that where you
start.
were?
Telephone. I don't know. Okay. Well, so that's not working.
That's not working. What?
We got nothing, but we got a lot more of a dash now than we had before.
That's
good.
sure.
Emergency flashers work. So, what do we do here now, Jeffrey? What do we do here now?
That's a good question.
Is there a reset button in here? Not that I see. And we know what that is.
Good question.
I don't see any reset button in there.
I don't know.
I don't either. What I do know,
Oh boy.
yeah, is we have wires that were taped. And does it look like this one was wired to something? It does.
Yeah.
Was it wired to the
head
switch?
Unit, the head unit. Where's that at?
Yep. I don't know, but we can order
Maybe.
something off Amazon to replace this double DIN whatever, right?
That's something.
Right, and it should give us the stuff we need to.
You know what we should do if we do that? I mean, we should put a sub in here, right? I mean, if we do that,
Well,
I mean,
it has.
you're there.
It's supposed to have all that stuff in here.
Yeah, but you know,
It's supposed
how
to
old
have
is this?
all that stuff in here. That speaker was taken out of this door. We have that cover here somewhere.
Yep.
I know that. We know that for a fact.
Yep.
Right?
This speaker?
Yeah, that speaker. Yeah.
It's like a little tweeter that size. Yeah.
Exactly. Doesn't look very good anymore.
Well,
Matter of fact, it looks kind of broken and crushed.
I've seen better days, that's for sure.
Yeah, it's not going to work anymore, I don't think.
Probably not.
No.
My guess.
Yep.
Yep.
So, what we need is to go back out underneath the hood and check okay, we're going to check and see if we have any power on any of that stuff up there, which we didn't have power on before.
Sure.
Right?
We could try. Works?
Yep.
Okay.
She works.
Always gotta double check that.
Always. Always. Did I use that one or I used that? I used that one last time, didn't I? Okay, power. Over here, we had none before. Guess what? We still have none. Let's turn on the key.
Okay.
That one should have power now, and it doesn't. Because that's the engine management system. Yeah. We have nothing, Jeffrey. Nothing. 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 Nothing and nothing.
Why do you have nothing?
That's a good question. That's a really good question, Jeffrey. Why do we have nothing? Why? This one we do. And that one we do. Hey. This is the new starter relay we just put in, right? They're kind of difficult to get at right there, Jeffrey.
Apparently.
Now leave those needle nose out here. Not just those needle nose.
I think they're right here.
Okay.
What would you do without me? I tell you what.
I'm telling you. I'd be wandering around in the yard going, where did I put those needle nose? Why is this so difficult to come out? Did I just put that in there?
Thought you did.
Could have swore I just put that in there, Jeffrey. There we go.
Oh, attaboy.
All right. Do we have any power down here? That's amazing, Jeffrey.
No?
Not seeing any. There ain't any coming in here. There isn't any coming in here.
Why not?
That's a good question. That is a good question. That is a good question. That's a good question. We have one that looks a little suspect over here. Look at that. And it's a little, you know?
Maybe
So,
that might be?
well, I'm wondering, but I could have swore that we...
relay is that?
That's a good question.
Uh-huh.
But I could have swore that we had swapped some of these relays around out here before. And we still didn't get anything, really. You like that?
Mm-hmm. Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. But she's definitely warm,
Uh-huh.
you know. Is that maybe just shaped like that because I pulled it out
Maybe.
at one time or another? I don't know. I don't know, Jeffrey. What do we do? What do we do? Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. What do we do?
That's a good question.
Well, we do have another one over here that looks like starter relay. I don't know what it is.
What was that?
Huh?
Car made a sound.
Car made a sound?
Like where the key sound.
Really?
Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
Really?
Anything different? Nothing.
Not really.
What if I wiggle it? It's definitely warm.
Yeah. Go and pull it out. Something's going on there when you're doing that.
What?
Something's going on there when you're doing that.
Right?
You got it?
Yep.
What does it look like? Definitely warm. Well, here, put this one in its place.
Okay.
Nothing.
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 Huh.
You know what I kind of want to do now?
What?
See if we got any power to the computer now, to where we plug in.
Uh-huh.
See if we got power to that plug yet.
With this thing or
Huh? No.
no?
Well, yeah, we're gonna check that in a minute as well. But let me go grab the keys and get the pewter. Get the pewter reader. You know we got tools laying all over in the yard down here.
Where?
We got tools laying everywhere.
Yeah. Huh? Can you find it?
I think so.
I hope so.
Where does it go? Okay. Okay. Go that way or that way?
Need help?
Nope.
No? Okay.
Well, the fact that this powers up.
Did it power up? Oh. Okay.
Oh, that's the seat.
Uh-huh.
That's the seat. I was going, what the hell is that?
What's the seat? Killing the battery, I tell you.
That's exactly what I'm doing.
Nope.
Wow. Why?
Communication error. What?
Why won't it establish communication? There's definitely power to it. There's definitely power to it. Because if there wasn't power to it, it wouldn't light up. You know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
1.1 miles.
This is how you get this thing up. Maybe. There we go.
Oh.
And
Oh,
that's the
there we
cup
go.
holder.
There's the cup holder.
Well, cheesy, but you know.
It is cheesy.
It's a cup holder, apparently.
Remove key. Okay. Key is removed. Okay. Key is back in. Okay, there we go. Now it says.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh.
Well, I did. Oh. There.
Mm-hmm.
Service B exceeded. Now it says steering wheel to display mileage on display. Press the down arrow button until the service indicator and symbol comes on. Press and hold reset button on left side of gauge cluster. Oh.
Is that the reset?
Yep.
Reset button.
Service interval has been reset.
I'll be finally. But what does that do?
We don't know. All right, let's see if we can relink up here. Now that everything's been
Learning more as we go. That's for sure.
yeah. Contact technical support for more information. Press to relink. Unable to establish communication.
Mm-hmm.
And the ignition is in the on position.
Yep.
I did.
Did you though?
I did. Huh. Huh.
Hmm.
Huh.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. It won't link up to this car.
Why?
Well,
Why do you think?
I think because of
maybe something.
Yeah. I guarantee you that cigarette lighter doesn't work. That cigarette lighter doesn't work because we don't have any power to some of the stuff out there that we need power to.
Uh-huh.
So what somewhere here I think we have to set the car. Is that our car doing that?
Doing what?
That.
No.
It is due.
Doing what?
The beep, beep, beep.
Huh? What?
That was our car.
Oh, sure.
We know there's two faults.
What are they?
What are they? What are they? That's working.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. Contact
Help us.
technical support for more information.
Uh-huh.
See, and the Escalade just won't hook up either because whatever fuse that feeds it is the power to that as well. So, communication error, unable to establish communication. Yeah. So, we have to find the reason why we don't have power to all that stuff out there. That's our issue, Jeffrey.
Mm-hmm. Maybe.
Yeah.
Or maybe a wire tube, maybe? Possible.
Yeah. I mean, this is probably part of it,
Right.
but yeah.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okie dokie. Well, that's as far as we're going on this one today, Jeffrey.
You think so?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. As much as I would like to do some more,
Yep.
we are at an impasse again.
Yep.
So, what we need I know when I heard you doing the starter over here
Uh-huh.
with the
A lone wolf?
yeah, that we didn't have, or I heard something snapping and popping. So I would kind of like to know what this is and where it goes. Remember, we saw that laying down in there.
Yep.
I think that might be the wiper motor.
That won't do us any good, really.
Not really. Or would it?
Who knows?
Is that something? We have no wiper. We have no wipers. I'm willing to bet that that's exactly what that is, because there's a wiper. I can see the wiper motor, like right here. This is the wiper motor.
Okay.
And that plug, I'm willing to bet, plugs into here somewhere. Don't know where, but plugs into there somewhere.
Nothing?
No. I bet you if we go turn the wiper on,
Maybe.
might get something.
Maybe. Hmm. Nothing?
Nothing.
Okay.
A lot of things out here, Jeffrey, making me go,
Right?
A lot of things. A lot of things making me go,
Right?
A lot of things. We can eliminate that. We know that works.
Thought we tested that already.
We did.
You just double checking?
Double check.
Sure.
Double check. Making my mind go again. So, what is it? Power, 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 power. Power, power. Power, 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 power. Power, power, and power. Got power to all those, Jeffrey.
All those back there?
Yep. We got power to these ones. Nope, we don't. Are those spares, maybe? Who knows? We have none. Zero. Zero here. Nothing. Nothing. Nothing there, Jeffrey. Nothing there. So, you know, we started this once before and we didn't go all the way.
That it for the night?
No.
No?
Not quite. Not quite, Jeffrey.
Nope.
Inquiring minds want to know.
Apparently.
We started to undo these. We cleaned them
Oh, yeah?
a little bit. wonder if we should take a picture of these. I
Oh.
think they're only going to go like one way.
Famous last words.
Right? That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking, Jeffrey. That one's not going to go anyplace but there. That one isn't even going to reach anywhere but there. How does that one work? How does that one work? You push in. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Push in, push out, put in. You want to try that one?
What?
Can I give that one a shot?
Sure.
That last one. All right, Jeffrey.
Wow.
Jeffrey gets to be the mechanic now. Hi, Jeffrey.
Hi. Budged up.
What are you doing?
It budged up.
Huh?
It budged up.
Don't pull the wires out of the plug. Are you sure she came up?
A little bit.
It looked to me like it did.
Maybe. I don't know.
How about push the white tab the other way?
No.
Maybe. Here. Let me show you.
Maybe.
Yeah. Push the white tab this way.
Out.
Huh?
See, it went up
Yeah.
a little. Pushed it back down.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was thinking about that tab going that way.
That wouldn't make sense.
Are you sure?
Yes. Because it's part of it.
Okay. All right. Maybe that's why we didn't take it out yet.
I thought we did.
We didn't take that one out.
Holy crap. Yeah,
Right.
she's in there, that's for sure.
Here.
Yep.
Here, you hold the camera.
Okay.
Let me see. You know what I'm thinking is the gray plug comes out of the white plug. Maybe.
No.
No?
You're talking silly talk.
All right. Well, how come she ain't coming?
Well, that's a good idea. Or,
Huh? How come she ain't coming?
Well,
Huh?
I don't know.
How come? Huh? How come she ain't coming?
That's a good question. No, did you just break it? No.
Nope. Give it a shot now, though.
Wiper arms are in the way. It's wiper thing. Yep. You gotta use the things around you, apparently.
Yeah, that didn't work. That didn't work at all. Why? Jeffrey, why didn't that want to come out?
I don't know.
All right. Now, let me get over here again. Give her a little what for. Thinking maybe that might be our issue or what? Huh?
Possible, maybe. I don't know.
I don't either. Definitely looks like,
You're still having problems?
yeah, how it should go.
Is it kicking you in the butt?
It really is. It's doesn't really want to cooperate, I'll tell you that.
Why not?
I don't know. I really don't. But it really doesn't. Now I got these plugs all freaking, well, I think they're only going to go one place, Jeffrey.
I hope so.
I really do. I really, really do.
Uh-huh.
I got the computer up to here. I can't get past that wiper arm. Can't get past that wiper arm. Okay. Well, the plug's right there, Jeffrey.
Uh-huh.
Let's just get it out.
What's the holdup?
Let's just get it out of there.
Yeah.
You know, just like that, right there. Just get that damn thing out of there, like that, right there. Right? Why is that thing not coming out of there, Jeffrey? What is the issue?
That's a good question.
I mean, I even did it with the needle nose here.
And
Nothing.
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 Why not?
I don't know. You can see it wiggling around quite a bit.
Uh-huh.
Like this right here. Right? That's something you don't want to come out of there. Not for nothing. End up breaking all those wires back there, I think.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to do that.
Why not? Well,
that doesn't really get us what we want. You know?
I think we're gonna have to call it. Maybe.
Well, that or how did that wiper arm come off of there? Get that damn thing out of my way.
I mean, you do have a book.
I do have a. Do I have a book for this one?
Yeah.
I do.
Don't you?
I think so. I don't know. Yeah, let's go take a look at that plug. We do have a book for this one, don't we? Do we?
Yeah, you do.
Alrighty. Yeah, thank you again for another fun-filled episode here at JJ Shop. Thank you for joining us again. We're out of time for today. So if you wouldn't mind, please hit the like and subscribe button. Share the video with friends, if you will. And then, of course, leave us a comment. What you liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video. And thanks again for joining us.